What up, YouTube? Here's one more for y'all. My second YouTube video ever. This is a 2012 Nissan Altima. It come in with the Misfire. I thought I would touch base right quick with a little Misfire diagnostics. And I'm gonna try to keep it plain and simple. No scan tool. I do have a scan tool hooked up in it. I do know what cylinder's already misfiring. But I'm gonna try to do it in a real world scenario, the way Dave used to do it before I ever even had a scan tool. So let's get to it. So here I am. We're gonna verify the concern first. And the way we're gonna do that, we're gonna go ahead and start this bad boy up. And hopefully y'all can see that motor is shaking more than an alcoholic with tremors. And so the way I'm gonna go about this is if this was my car, I had no scan tool on hand, but I had all just regular hand tools. First thing I would do is a power balance test. And so I'm gonna unplug this coil right here. Now it made a difference. So I'm gonna go to that one. That one made a difference. Go to the next one. That one made a difference. And right there's number one. And there's no change, and I'm sorry about the camera moving around. There's no change in the engine at all. If you'll notice, 2, 3, 4, I seen a change in the motor. So something we can do here to get down to the business end of this deal real fast is to diagnose it is swap some coils around right quick and do the same test. So here we go. We're gonna take 1 and 2 and we're gonna switch those around right fast. Trying to hold the camera and unplug coils is quite a deal. All right, darling, if you will, go start the car for me. So now that we got those coils switched around, we're fired back up. You can see, obviously, look at the mountain. It's still misfiring. So now, same test. Well, there's a change. And now listen, I got that coil still loose. We're firing pretty good. So, right there, we just confirmed that it's not our ignition coil. Shut off the car, babe. Thank you, sweetie. So, you want to come hold the camera for me? So we're gonna move on to the spark plug, because after all, there's only a few things. Now, along with this, before even getting to this point, I do want to just touch base and let y'all guys know that a visual inspection has been performed, and that's actually what I recommend doing first. Visually inspect your injector plugs, visually inspect anything like coils, injectors, anything like that at all. There you go. So here we are. I'm gonna go ahead. I don't recommend using an impact on spark plugs. Don't do what Dave does in this area. Well, and look at there. I've got the wrong size on hand here. Anyways, these, I didn't even check. These will be a 14 millimeter. I did start off with the 5/8, didn't check it, shame on me. So there's a 14 millimeter. Now, we're looking at that plug. It don't look bad. It already got me a little skeptical here going on. This video may not make it as a posted one, oddly enough. I'm just kidding.
It's upside down.
It'll be just fine.
Okay.
Or hopefully, there. Hopefully that wasn't upside down the whole time. Going right back in with the coils. We know they're good. We've just done the test. Now we're back at it. You can see it's still got the shakes. Oh, look at there. That's a leaking coil. I don't know if y'all can see those spikes, but they're literally coming out of the side of the coil.
Woo. Bitchin'.
And so is that one.
Wow.
But there's no change. And there is a change. All right. So we're moving on. And look at here. I said that I'd done a visual inspection. And I did. I looked very quickly at it. And I just confirmed the connectors were down on the injectors. But if we look back here, and y'all seen all that I've done so far, let me see if I can get an angle. The injector wiring, I just noticed, is broken on cylinder 1. And let's see if I can get a shot of that. We're gonna just send the camera in right here. See that wire? That's the fuel injector for number 1. Now I did scan this car at first. And while scanning this car, I did not have no circuit code for injector 1. From there, I didn't use any scan tool diagnostics. The purpose of this video was to show y'all that a logically move-in order using basically common sense, you could diagnose a misfire. You've seen how I swapped coils. Unfortunately, I don't recommend lifting them up like I did without some type of personal protection, you know, your safety equipment and all that jazz. But hey, it happens. And so already bulling it down quickly here at the just a spur of the moment, let's shoot a video. I found an open injector wire. We'll repair that wire, and this thing will probably be good to go, because from the looks of it, the spark plugs are brand new. So that's all I got. I appreciate it, and peace out.